Hey everyone, welcome to another video. As many of you probably already know, I've been doing affiliate marketing for the last 5 years now, and I've made well over $1 million in commissions. A question that I regularly get is affiliate marketing still worth it to start today? So in today's video, that is exactly what I'm going to be covering. Now, over the last few years in affiliate marketing, especially recently, a lot has changed, and there are important things that you need to know if you're just getting started. I'll cover all of that in this video, but first I just want to touch on what exactly is affiliate marketing, just so if you are a beginner, we're all on the same page. Essentially, what affiliate marketing is a fancy way of saying a referral program. So you or me or the person who's doing affiliate marketing basically partners with as many companies as they want. A lot of big companies, a lot of small companies, they all have affiliate programs, and they're totally free for you and I to join. And we're basically a commission-based salesman for them. Now, you don't need a business entity to start this. You could literally just start today. You go find out which companies you want to partner with. You see if they have an affiliate program. You sign up for their programs for free, and they give you a unique referral link. That unique link is the key to how all of this works. Basically, whoever you share that link with, if they click on it and they go purchase something from the company's website, that unique referral link tracks it back to you. So the company knows that you were the one that referred them the buyer, and therefore they pay you your commission. So out of all of the things that have changed in the affiliate marketing world, there's only two things that I think you really need to know that'll actually make a difference. Starting with the first thing, and that is artificial intelligence, or ChatGPT specifically. Now, over the last few years in affiliate marketing, the gold standard has been to create a niche affiliate marketing website, which is basically a blog website, and then write articles about a specific topic. These can be educational articles, they can be review articles, but they are text-written articles, and then they show up in Google search results. That has been the go-to for affiliate marketing because it just simply works so well. Now, the change that has happened in the last year is that artificial intelligence tools have made it substantially easier to create these articles. Previously, before artificial intelligence, it could take anywhere from 4, 5, or 6 hours to write a single article and publish that on your website. Now that artificial intelligence tools, specifically ChatGPT, have come to the forefront, you can just go in and tell ChatGPT to write you a blog article, give it the title that you're going to write it about, give it about 1 minute to process it, and it'll write you a very similar article. Now, I should say that the articles that come off of ChatGPT are not perfect. A lot of the times there's fluff or there's false information, but you can spend another 10 or 15 minutes going through that article and making it very similar, very comparable to that one that took 4, 5, or 6 hours to write by hand. However, there is a solution to this. There has been a flood of these ChatGPT written articles on Google. And the way that Google is determining which articles are legit, written by you and me, and which ones are written by people just using ChatGPT, is they look at the website as a whole. They look at their backlink profile. Now, if you're not familiar with what a backlink profile is, it's basically not very public information that Google can see, and they can look at your website as a whole and see how many other websites are referring to your website. Not necessarily affiliate marketing referring to your website, but they're writing an article on their own website, and then they're linking to you saying, this is where I got this information from, or this is a good resource for you to get more information on what I'm talking about in this paragraph. So the trick here is you want to increase the amount of people that are linking to your website, and that basically tells Google you are the authority, you're the one that they should be showing above all of the other artificial intelligence created articles. Now, the hard way to do this is to basically create as many good pieces of content as you can, and then give it time and just let people refer to you. However, the trick here, something that I personally do, is I hire a very high quality company to get me more backlinks. Now, this is totally by the books. You can do this through Google, because the company that I hire, they do manual outreach to other companies and see if they will refer to my website. Now, if you are someone who's interested in that, I'll put a link in the description to the company I personally use, but that is the way to make your website stand out and succeed against all of the uprising competition of those ChatGPT created articles. So now let's move right on to the second thing that I think you really ought to know if you're getting into affiliate marketing right now. Instead of creating a niche affiliate marketing website, if you can get yourself to create videos and post them on YouTube, you are going to be light years ahead of the competition. The reason that I say this is because artificial intelligence, even ChatGPT, cannot compete with creating a video like this. ChatGPT can write a text article just like anyone could, but it cannot create that human connection that you get through video. Now, I know many of you know that I do print on demand and I do affiliate marketing, and I've been doing them for years. However, what I don't typically share are my personal businesses within those business models, or kind of what's behind the scenes. So just to kind of give you guys some insight here, I have multiple different niche affiliate marketing blog websites, and I have multiple different YouTube channels for affiliate marketing. I don't put my name on these because I don't want it to be skewed by this channel, but I've been doing the YouTube video affiliate marketing business model for about 5 years now. What I can tell you from my own analytics and my own experience is that the videos are the place to be if you're just getting started. So with that in mind, I decided to use this as an opportunity to really help you guys out. So I created something very special that I haven't done before. I've created a paid course for you guys. Now, I know this sounds crazy because I've done everything for free on YouTube before. However, I wanted this to be an exclusive community of people who get the huge advantage of knowing this information and how to do all of it very early on. I've treated this course as if I were sitting across the table from a family member, walking them through step by step every single thing they need to know. And I've put in literally every trick and tip that I know with full transparency. I even show you the total behind the scenes of one of my personal affiliate marketing YouTube channels that's not public. No one else knows that I own. So I know it sounds crazy that I'm saying, hey guys, I have a paid course for you. I don't want to be one of those guys, but this is a course that I truly stand behind. I've bought expensive courses and paid thousands of dollars for consulting, and all of that information is boiled down into this course for a fraction of the price. So all of that is to say that if you are just getting into affiliate marketing, it is a very good business model. It is well worth it. You can make a ton of money. And my best recommendation on how to do it is with videos. I'll put a link to the course down in the description so you can check it out and see what else is in that course. And as always, if you guys have any questions, just let me know down in the comments.